Hello, this is a review for Chapter 2 in Geometry. Number 1, which statement is an example of the subtraction property of equality? Well, if you take a look at these, this says C minus D, so that would not be an example. Remember, with add, subtract, multiply, and divide, you have to do it to both sides. On this next one, C equals D. Here's C, here's D, but you only subtracted E from one side. You didn't subtract it from both sides. So that would not be an example of subtraction. Over here, you have C and D, and you have C and D on the same side. So that would not be an example of it. And then on the last one, here's CD, here's C, here's D with the equal sign in between them. And then you look here, you subtracted an E and subtracted an E. So D would be an example of the subtraction property. Fill in the missing reasons. All right, so you start out, they tell you AOC is 144, AOC, so that's the whole angle. So you have part of an angle equals the whole angle. Part of an angle equals the whole angle. So this would be angle addition. Next one, you have numbers which represent AOB is 2x now. Instead of writing AOB, you're going to write 2x. So the numbers represent the letters. So that would be substitution. You put the numbers in place of the letters. Next one, you took the 4 and multiplied it by the x and got 4x, and multiplied the 4 times the negative 3 and got the negative 12. Notice this is still 144, so that's the distributive property. Next one, this is still 144, and I combine the 2x with the 4x to give me 6x, so I simplify the problem. If you had to add it or subtract it to both sides, then you can say addition or subtraction. Here's an example right here. This, you take a look, this still says 6x, but this is different, and I got rid of this minus 12. So getting rid of the minus 12 means then I had to add 12 to both sides, and that would give me the 156. So addition. And then on the next one, 6x, and now it's x. So you divided both sides by 6.